are walking along the track, presumably going down, going up at the moment obviously, yes, to the ZigZag Railway. We decided to walk down the bottom, and here is poor Daddy carrying two of the foozles. Lucky we don't have any others. Lovely Australian bush that we're walking through. Some lovely flowers, Australian flowers growing beside the track. Lovely view at the top. Very nice. Our path goes down there. We'll catch up with Daddy in a minute. He's just gone off to buy the tickets. Just doing some filming for the bikes back home. And there's the train station, so we've walked all the way down the mountain. There's Timothy, hello. Here we are, at the bottom of the mountain, shooting flies away. And here's the train station. And Timothy's a bit afraid of this train because it's big and very noisy. He's unsure, so that he's carrying him on there. But yes, very cute train station. Ooh, very groovy. Guys, here is Matthew on the train with his wee little picnic, completely content and at peace. He didn't whinge once on the walk, and now he's being very happy. Yes, I'm being fed, he says. Here is poor hot sweaty Daddy. Hello. He's carried the foozle, and here's the other foozle, Timothy. Wave to everybody. Hi. I'll eat my picnic. It's got rice crackers. It's rice. Crazy little critter. Quite tasty. You have a blue one.